Today is the big day. We're going to Sable Elementary to talk to 80 kids, and I'm really nervous about it. She has some kids. Nothing to be scared of. Kids are just savages, unfiltered. Kids will just lay into your soul with no mercy.
Why don't you give these?
No thumbs. You guys have a great day.
All right, is everybody ready?
Dude, how crazy was that? Now I'm on the ground.
All right, guys, hold on. And here's the GoPros. Everybody want to say hey? Does everyone want to say, did you guys enjoy it? You guys enjoy it? How you doing, bro? You surf, right?
Yes, sir.
Critical day, people. January 28th. I am pulling in to the Space Center to get on the bus and try setting up my remote camera. I have very low expectations for the wide angle with the motion. It's just not working. The like mostly empty Krispy Kreme. So are we putting in this beer work? You ready to get your model on, boy? Good to see you.
I gave him a hall pass.
I did.
Sorry, I'm filming. God.
So there's like homeless people that hang out, they issue with them, like do they like?
All right, Red Drift House, scene number 2, downtown Cocoa Beach. Bro, mango beer, The Simpsons. Location number 3. Let's... Whoa! And that's a wrap. Whew. Okay, I am at AvCon headquarters in Orlando, and this is huge. It's a big day. I'm ready to get this thing. Okay, we just got the box from Apple, and the Mac is going out. Working off of my Windows has been a nightmare. Looking good, baby. Look at those big paws. Let me see the paws. Right foot, left foot.
I just did it like 3 times.
We pull in and she says, I hope you got the shots.
I just don't want
Heavy
you to be
exhale.
disappointed.
Oh, they're ready. Let's go. Cool. I just tried. Both of them are standing. So nervous. It's still taking pictures. It's taking pictures right now. This is the one I thought was gonna be dead. I'll have to check it later. Camera number 1 was not supposed to work. I didn't think it would, and it was still working. This is the important one though, Maddie. This is the test. Oh, it took. I don't think this one fired. Or it might have, and it's just too dark. I can't tell. Look.
Ooh.
Look.
Whoa.
I got the fire. So I gotta just bring the shadows up and see if I can recover the rest.
Sweet.
But it worked.
Good job, baby.
It worked. We gotta get on there. We gotta look.